Welcome to lesson 3 of your Letting Go course. Now, we've already gone through breath and release work in week 1, and week 2 we went into your spiritual intention. Now, that's helped to set the stage of calming down the mind and the emotions, setting the actual, goal for lack of a better word, or at least, let's say, energy you wish to become. But now we want to be looking at gratitude, thankfulness. Now, the reason thankfulness is really important, gratitude is important, is because what we want to be doing is rewiring our biology, our thoughts and our emotions into a condition which potentiates letting go. Meaning, to bring it down to the hardest actual part of the letting go technique, is actually being grateful for any negativities that do arise. Meaning, when we feel angry or sad or fear or guilt or shame or worry or stress, most of the time we don't want to feel it. We resist it. We avoid it via having a drink or distracting ourselves or turning on the TV. You don't want to feel that energy or sensation. Now, via retraining our way of thinking, way of feeling, way of being, to be grateful as an underlying condition, you can start to bring a sense of gratitude for the upsets and negativities. Now that sounds weird, right? Why would you want to be grateful for them? Well, by coming into a state of gratitude, you can allow it to actually be there. You can start to actually face the negativities and upsets and the fears, the doubts, the worries, the complaints, the blames, the resentments, so that you can start to surrender them. If you don't deal with it, if you just suppress or repress or distract, you're just pushing it down into the subconscious for it to come up later on just randomly. You may be having a great day and then, your kids just say something that just gets right under your skin and you have an outburst. It's like a volcano. What we're looking to do is actually confront our fears, confront our demons so that we can surrender them and let go of them and move into the more positive, angelic, loving energies, which is our real nature. So, by coming into an underlying state of gratitude, it gives us a platform to surrender. Now, apart from actually just a platform to surrender, it just feels good. And gratitude is a very simple way to get yourself into a good level of energy. Our brains are actually hardwired for negativity, meaning for the survival mechanism to be in effect, we've had to be conscious of threats in the environment, whether it was, environmental threats or, a dinosaur or whatever it might be. So being consciously aware of all these threats, it kicks us into that fight or flight state. So we had like a negativity bias to be conscious of potential threats to our life so that our physical bodies can survive. Now, we have survived as a species, as in a race, but we have been left with a negativity bias. What we want to do is start to actually rewire our brains and our hearts and our minds into a sense of gratitude. Now, there's a very simple exercises we're going to do this week. We're going to do a gratitude meditation. But also we're going to do our mantra as well this week, like I am grateful, I am grateful, I am grateful for, which we'll go into at the end. But an exercise I'd like you to do this week is actually one that I heard from a leadership coach, Robin Sharma, and many coaches speak on gratitude, but he said to write down 10 things every morning that you're grateful for, to get your day started in a positive way in a mental and emotional state. So writing down those 10 things each morning on a piece of paper or a journal when you have your coffee will help you to start getting into this condition of gratitude. Once again, laying the foundation and the platform for you to be able to surrender any upsets or negativities as they arise. Now, our objective in this course is to give you, a new way of thinking, a new way of approaching, some tools, some actual techniques so that you can surrender and let go of negativities throughout life. Whether you have the time to actually so maybe you're getting into frustration or anger, if you have the time to actually go lie down and practice the technique, fantastic. However, we want to develop this skill so that you can do it on the spot during that moment. So be able to face it, confront it, observe it, be grateful for it, surrender it, let it go, and move into your highest intention. Now that's a skill that needs to be developed. I'm still cultivating that myself, but I'm certainly doing it a lot better than I used to be able to. Where in the past I might just get stuck in an emotion, get caught in an anger or a fear. Now as it arises, I'm able to allow it to be there with a sense of self-awareness, allow it to be on my etheric body, on my space, and let it dissolve and surrender in that moment, which is which is a profound experience and extremely uplifting, not only for your personal and spiritual life, but also for your martial and physical life, depending on what angle you're coming at this from. So, gratitude. We're going to be doing a meditation now on bringing you into that state of gratitude, and then your mantras for the week I'll talk about after. So, let's begin. Get yourself comfortable, either lying down or sitting down, it's up to you. And just relax. Start with some deep, conscious, and comfortable breaths. In and out through the nose, calming down the nervous system, relaxing the mind, relaxing the body, releasing. Feel that the whole body is completely relaxed. And as you breathe deeply, calmly, and consciously, bring a sense of gratitude for breath. Be grateful for the air as it enters your body. And as it passes through the nose and into the lungs, be grateful for the nose, that it breathes for you, it smells. Be grateful for the lungs, that transfer that life-giving energy into the body. Be grateful for all the blood within your body that circulates the energy. Feel now your legs and feet. And as you feel them, bring a sense of gratitude that they carry you around, move you from place to place. Feel now your torso, your belly, your chest. Feeling it with a sense of appreciation, that it digests your food, all the different organs that keep you alive, the heart that beats, pumping the blood through your body. Feel now your shoulders and arms, your hands, bringing a sense of gratitude over all the work they do for you. Driving, riding, eating, moving, carrying. And bringing that sense of gratitude and feeling up into your head and neck, your brain, your eyes, your ears, hearing, seeing, thinking, your tongue to taste, your mouth to talk. Bringing a sense of gratitude for the whole body and all the functions it serves you. Now bring a sense of gratitude for all the things in your life, your bed, your room, your car, your table, your chairs, your clothes. Be thankful for all the gifts that you have in your life. Feel yourself with this sense of gratitude. Now all the people, friends, loved ones, parents, siblings, children. Think of all the people in your life that you love and they love you. bring a sense of gratitude. Now, anything else you can think of, your work, your relationships, your car, your favorite food. Now bring a sense of gratitude for all the little things like the wind on your face, the smell of your first coffee or tea in the morning, the sunset, the ability to feel. And now bring a sense of gratitude for life itself. Whether you think of it as Mother Nature, God, the universe, whether it's your avatar, the Buddha, the Christ, Krishna, whatever it might be, your highest spiritual life. Filling yourself with a sense of gratitude. Now, as you take deep breaths, feeling that grateful energy, mentally repeat to yourself, I am grateful. 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 Once again, take some deep, conscious, and comfortable breaths. Feel your body. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. So, your mantra for this week can be as simple as, I am grateful, or I am gratitude, I am thankful, or you can even think of things that you're grateful for, and each day you can be like, I'm grateful for my family, I'm grateful for my family, just to fill you with that sense of gratitude, to give you that platform and condition so you can start to let go. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.